friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Kisho coin. What's the current price of the Kisho? What's the prices occur in the Kisho? And in this video, I'm talking about the latest news, the latest update of the Kisho. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, friends, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. The currently price, the latest price of the Kisho at this time in the market is 0.0000001 USD dollar, friends. Absolutely, the volume of the zero is very highly in the price of the Kisho, but very soon they have an idea to remove the zero from this price, and the price become only 0.01 USD dollar, friends. So very soon they are going to hit. Anyways, on the other side, if you look, the prices occur in the Kisho, so absolutely only the last 1 hour price change as negative, but I think that's a temporary fast. With the passage of time, after a few minutes the change become again positive. Don't worry about this fast. The last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes occur in the Kisho as going positive, friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Kisho. What's going in this time in the Kisho? Absolutely, once again, the massive jump occurred, the massive gains occur by Kisho in the 24-hour. Especially if you look, the last 1 day price changes occur in the Kisho. The latest news and updates telling us that 8.27% price changes occur in the last 24 hours in the last 1 day, and the highest price is 0.0000001 USD dollar, friends. Anyways, if you look, the last 1 hour price change occur, as I show you that the last 1 hour price change as negative. So as you can see here, this time the price of the Kisho is fast down, but it's a temporary fast. As I told you, after this fast they again start jump and they continue his travel. The Kisho is going to the moon. I really appreciate Kisho at this time, friends. Anyways, my prediction about the Kisho is 100% positive. What's your opinion? What's your prediction? And how do you feel about Kisho today? Please also sharing your feeling about Kisho in a comment box. And kind friends, don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.